In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can auto-download music when purchased in the iTunes Store. Auto-download of purchased music in the iTunes Store ensures your music library stays updated across all devices, saving time and effort while preventing accidental loss of content. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the music option. On this page, you will have to head into this section of automatic downloads. Make sure to enable this option. When turned on, for each and every music you purchase from the iTunes will automatically get downloaded to your music library. You can undo this feature at any time. That's how easy it is to enable auto-download of music to your library. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.